Hello everyone, I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to make various FAB floating action buttons. FABs are container elements that contain one or more FAB buttons. They should be placed in a fixed position that does not scroll with the content. FABs should have one main FAB button. FABs can also contain one or more FAB lists which contain related buttons that show when the main FAB button is clicked. Let's create the prototype. First, drag and drop an ellipse. Change its color to blue and remove the border. Add a shadow to it. Next, add an add icon and adjust its color to white. Name it plus. Group the ellipse and the icon. Add a mouse button down interaction to it. Set the width to this .width multiplied by 1.1 and the height to this .height multiplied by 1.1 with a linear animation of 100 milliseconds. Add a mouse button up interaction to it. Set the width to this .width divided by 1.1 and the height to this .height divided by 1.1 with a linear animation of 100 milliseconds. Make sure to set the anchor points to the center. Preview the prototype. When you click the button, you will see the shape of the button change. Duplicate the page and name it list side. Add a mouse button down interaction to the FAB. Rotate plus icon by 45 degrees with a linear animation of 100 milliseconds. Duplicate the interaction and rotate it counterclockwise. Then, drag and drop a ellipse. Add a shadow to it and change its fill color to light gray. Drag and drop a left arrow icon. Group it with the ellipse. Duplicate the button and create two more buttons. Adjust the direction of the arrows to the right. Duplicate one button with an upward arrow and another with a downward arrow. Group all the arrow buttons and set them to be hidden. Add an interaction to toggle the visibility of the group. Preview the prototype. When you click the FAB button, you will see the visibility of all the arrow buttons change. Duplicate the page again and name it positioning. Group all the buttons together. Delete all buttons except the ones on the right. Move the group to the top left corner of the screen. Replace the icons in the button. Change the animation to slide right. Preview the prototype. When you click the Fab button, the button group will slide out to the right. Click it again, and the group will slide back to the left. Duplicate the button and move it to the top right corner of the screen. Move the buttons group below the Fab button. Duplicate the button again and move the group above the Fab button. Change the animation direction of the two Fab buttons to slide down and slide up. Preview the prototype. When you click the Fab button, you will see different slide animations for the button group. Duplicate the page and name it button size. Delete the two Fab buttons. Adjust the size of all the buttons. Preview the prototype. You will see that all the buttons have become smaller. Duplicate the page and name it colors. Change the fill color of all the buttons. Preview the prototype. When you click the Fab button, you will see buttons of different colors. Duplicate the page. Change the shape of the Fab button to a rectangle. Add rounded corners and change its color to green. Change the icon to black. Delete the icons for directions other than the right. Change the color of the right icons to green. Replace the icon in the right buttons. Preview the prototype. You will see a green Fab button. Change the page name to shape. Add a deeper shadow to all the below buttons. Preview the prototype. When you click the Fab button, you will see the shadow effect. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.